In this video, I'll show you how to download DU Recorder on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video useful. So if you want to download a DU Recorder on your smart TV, what you are going to do is come to this application called Downloader. So Downloader is a very useful application and you must have it on your smart TV. To get downloaded on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you get downloaded on your smart TV. So what Downloader does is that it helps you search for any application, any files, any document from across the internet. All you have to do is to type in the right keyword in this box over here and then come down to go and then click on go. Downloader is going to show you where you can get that particular document or file from the internet. And in this case, Downloader is showing us where we can download GU Recorder from the internet. And as you can see, these are various options where we can download GU Recorder. So GU Recorder is a screen recorder for smart TV that can use to record your smart TV. So as you can see on my screen here are various options. You can choose to go anyone. So you can choose this one, or you can scroll down for anyone that you're comfortable with. So if we go with this, if we go with this option, we click here, you're going to see that you can install. So you just have to scroll through and choose anyone that you want to download to your smart TV.